Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see 7 tricky questions to test your math skills. So if you enjoy this video, then please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel and share with your friends to see how quickly they can solve. So friends, let's begin. Here is the first question. Looks simple, right? But can you find the answer in 10 seconds? So the answer is 82. So friends, this is very simple. Plus 9 and minus 9 will cancel out, and 9 divided by 9 is 1, and 9 into 9 is 81. So adding 81 plus 1 is 82. So the answer is 82. Let's move to our next question. Here is the next question. So if you need more time, you can pause the countdown and solve this question and type your answer in the comment box. So friends, let's solve it. So the correct answer is 340. So friends, this is very simple. The first part answer is 40, the second part answer is 363, and the third part answer is 63. And on further solving, it will give you 340. So friends, let's move to our next question. Question number 3. What will come at the place of question mark? You have 10 seconds to solve it, but if you need more time, you can pause the countdown. So the correct answer is 65. So this is very simple. 2 into 5 plus 3 into 5 gives you 25. 4 into 5 plus 5 into 5 gives you 45. And 6 into 5 plus 7 into 5 will give you 65. So the answer is 65. Let's move to our next question. Question number 4. What will come at the place of question mark? And the time starts now. So the correct answer is 379. So this is very simple. The third column is the sum of the square of the first column and cube of the second column. So 4 plus 27 equals to 31. 16 plus 125 equals to 141. And 36 plus 343 equals to 379. So the answer is 379. Let's move to our next question. Question number 5. What will come at the place of question mark? And your time starts now. So the correct answer is 140. To solve it, let's move to the first triangle. On multiplying 7 and 8, it gives you 56, and then adding up 56 to 13, it gives you 69. So the middle number is 69. Similarly, in the second triangle, you first multiply 15 and 7, which will give you 105. Then adding 105 plus 5, it gives you 110. Doing the same with the third triangle, multiplying 23 into 6, it will give you 138, and then adding 138 and 2, which will give you 140. So the answer is 140. Let's move to our next question. Can you find what will come at the place of question marks in 10 seconds? On solving above equations, the value of red bottle is 5, value of flask is also 5, and the value of scissor is 20. So this is very simple. On solving third equation, you can easily find out the value of scissor is 20. On putting scissor equals to 20 in the second equation, the value of sum of bottle and the flask is 10. And then on solving equation 1 and 2, you can easily find out the value of the bottle and the flask. So guys, let's move to our last question. Can you find what will come at the place of question marks in 10 seconds? So the answer is value of ice cream is 5, value of cupcake is 2, and value of soft cone is 4. So this is very simple. From equation number 2, you can easily get the value of cupcake is 2, and then putting the value of cupcake in equation number 3, you can find out the value of ice cream, that is 5, and then putting the value of ice cream and cupcake in equation number 1, you can easily find out the value of soft cone. So that is all in this video. If you enjoyed it, then please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel and share with your friends to test their math skills. Thanks for watching.